Hello, my name is Neil Goodman. I'm the CEO of Magnum Mining and Exploration Limited, which is an ASX listed mining company based in Melbourne. We own the Buena Vista iron ore asset in Nevada, and I'd like to talk to you today about our green steel projects, which aims to decarbonize the steel industry worldwide. So starting with the Buena Vista project, it is a fully permitted mine, previously owned by US Steel. Has been closed for several decades, but is ready to restart at any time. The logistics of the site in Nevada are excellent. It is very close to the Interstate 80, the main highway across the United States, and also to the rail line that also crosses the United States. So with an easy access of a rail, and that rail feeds down to the West Coast ports of California, which is ideal to ship the product to the steel industries of the Middle East and Southeast Asia that require the high-grade iron ore they need to decarbonize the steel industry. The steel industry at present emits about 8% of the world's CO2. With high-grade iron ore that we produce, this could be fed into new furnaces called direct reduced iron furnaces, which can then be electrically smelted and reduce the carbon emissions from steelmaking by at least 50%, and with the addition of hydrogen, can go up to 100% reduction in carbon emissions. So for every ton of the high-grade iron ore concentrate that we ship to the Middle East or Asia from California, we'll reduce the output of CO2 in the world by 1 ton. So it's a ton for ton swap of magnetite for CO2. It's a win-win situation for the world. Our plan is to start production very quickly at a relatively small scale of normally 800,000 tons per year. It will be processed to a high grade of 68% Fe, less than 3% impurities, which is essential for optimum production of steel by the electric arc furnaces. This concentrate will be put onto trains locally, trained down to the west coast of California, put onto ships and sent to the Middle East or Southeast Asia for conversion into direct reduced iron. So that is our first phase of the plan. Second and third phases could include further productions up to 2 to 4 million tons per year of this concentrate, depending on demand and supply. We also have a project in West Virginia called Appalachian Iron, which aims to produce pig iron, which is another product needed for decarbonizing steel. This will be produced from waste materials in legacy slag dumps around the Pittsburgh and other areas. This will be converted into pig iron for use by the East Coast steel industry to help decarbonize their industry. We have 3 potential off-takers we're talking to at the moment. We're talking to Anglo American and Mitsubishi for their assistance in trading our DRI concentrate to DRI producers. And we're also talking to a Saudi company, Mid-Metal, who are interested in following the Appalachian model of smelting waste materials into pig iron. But this would not be done in West Virginia. This will be done in Saudi Arabia. So the Saudis would smelt their waste materials, convert it into green pig iron for melting into green steel. And we would assist them by shipping our iron ore concentrate to top up their waste materials. So it's a very exciting potential project for us, which combines the green pig iron project with the DRI project. On the resource, we are JORC compliant to approximately 200 million tons of iron ore. We've done some recent aeromagnetic exploration, which could increase the resource target to approximately 750 million tons more. So nearly 1 billion tons of iron ore could be in the area, and there are other mine owners we are talking to, so potentially could be a very large resource for the future. It's a very exciting time for our company, and we look forward to serving the steel industry in its ambitions to decarbonize. Thank you for your interest.